going to be impossible to do one-handed.
I'm running about just about 350 here, and I'm beaming southwest. That's what I'm beaming. I don't know where you are in relation to where the club is. Anyway, you're enjoying yourself and having fun and getting that antenna up. I mean, that drone of yours must be pretty heavy to be able to pick that cable up. It's it's 120 foot long, if my memory serves me well.
Yeah, what I did, I managed to get the cable halfway up and the drone sort of was struggling, so I got some paracord out and ran the paracord over a branch and then pulled the rest that way. I wanted to go higher, but I'm struggling for paracord, so what I'll do is I'll get some more paracord, like a good length of 50 meters or something like that. It has no problem lifting that. It's more the Endfed, like once you get halfway through the length, it starts to get really heavy then. So I think the drone's capability is probably about 1 kilo. So got pretty close, and then yeah, I was struggling. But yeah, I'm still on 1 watt at the moment, recording. A minute into recording, and yeah, you're booming in wherever the beam's pointing. It's pointing this way. I'd assume it's 5.9. Bit of a plus there as well too.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Peter, unfortunately, you went down in QSB about halfway through your over, and the guy that's, I don't know how far below us, he's splattering, so he kind of put pay to it. But the first part I understood, so there's no problem there. Okay, well, have a safe journey home, and we'll see you down the club with the... I'm running 100 watts here into a Moxon beam. The VK3DEL, VK3DQW portable.
Yeah, you're 5 and 8 into Big River. I'm portable at a campsite in Big River, so I've got a 39 meter Endfed that I've put up in a tree with a drone, so it's about 80-90 feet in the air, so it gets out pretty good on 1 watt. I'm actually recording on my phone to prove to show evidence that I'm getting to you with 1 watt. I've made a few contacts this weekend with 1 watt, so just in case anyone ever calls crap on it, I'll put it on YouTube to prove it, to prove more wrong. I've been activating a park out here for the last 5 days. I've been camped, and yeah, so you're getting out really good. What was your location? And the name this way is Peter, VK3DL Peter. Back to you, VK3DQW portable.
Right there, VK3DEL, VK3DQW portable returning there. Good there, Peter, and good that you've been out there for a while. It's really good. It's not a bad time of the year to be getting out there. The vehicle just go past. It's the first people I've seen here about a week and a half. I've spent at this little spot. So a few people around on the weekends there, driving through on trail bikes and things like that. So anyway, so I've got an antenna farm here, and yeah, you're doing real well. I could use a drone.
VK3 Delta Echo Lima, VK3 Papa. Sorry, I missed your call sign too.
Yeah, I'm sorry, with the noise on the band, I still missed your suffix, VK3 Delta something Lima, go ahead.
VK3 Delta Echo Lima. Delta Echo Lima?
Right, you got it in the clear that time, VK3 Delta Echo Lima, good evening. known this way is Peter, located in the Latrobe Valley. Have you 5 and 7 when the signal is up, over?
You're 5 and 8. I'm currently on 2 watts, so that's probably why it is. I didn't catch your call sign, Peter. And the name this way is Peter as well.
Yeah, Roger, Peter. Yeah, call sign VK3, Papa Foxtrot. And what part are you activating, over?
Okay, the park is in the Yarra Ranges. Park number is 0556. 0556, yeah?
Roger, Peter. Yarra Ranges National Park, without even looking it up. Yeah, well, it's a big park, but anyway, I'll try a spot up for you on Parks and Peaks, and hopefully it'll raise a few more contacts for you, Peter. Good luck with the activation, and have a great evening out there, over.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much. You're now 5 and 9. Everything's sort of cleared, so you're coming in 5 and 9 now. But appreciate the spot. VK3 Papa Foxtrot, VK3 Delta Echo Lima, 73s 44. Take care.
Yeah, my pleasure, Peter. Good luck. Catch you soon. 7-3-4-4.